ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Sarkar Bapet yang ketenat ridok kha hapok ke jela uba Alexander lalu hek ula penpau bagi kuat benio ke Sarkar ke banlat niki kambam sap bampong hapok ke jela Meghalaya. Habe keren bekila pathai kubor halo ke jingsha keno teritori ke Dhar Construction Company hakabaya de ke jingsta surak ha West Giant Hills uba Alexander lalu hek ula ong balada ke jinglap RTI ke dondi ke Sakhi ke sabot tang ke Sarkar kami hindi ke Sarkar jelaru ke hab ban pencitom ladalap shisha bakadon keti.
It is the RTI found proof with all the corruption practices is happening. Definitely the government, not only the central government, the state government also should take action against them. They will prove they have any corruption practices. Proven they are in the corruption practices, then definitely, reports. Show me, then only I'll believe you. Stand a corruption-free government.